Our last contestant, no other than Miss Nuria Hetahoba from Philippines. She is about to portray a beautiful business suit and will undergo a Q&A portion. Tan tan tararan. Her motto in life is I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Yahoo! Hi, Miss Nuria.
Hello.
How are you?
I am okay.
Do not move,
I am okay.
How are you?
I am okay.
How old are you?
And I'm 8 years old.
Where do you live?
By sa Quezon City.
Keep refrain from moving your hands. Okay? So, what do you want in life?
Just be peace and quiet.
Peace and quiet.
Yes.
And
And be kind.
be kind to
Other people.
other people. Why do you want that thing?
So Jesus can be happy.
Okay, very nice answer. And as a student, how do you treat your teacher?
Sometimes like noisy.
You're noisy.
Yes. I mean,
But you're apologetic about that.
yeah.
So what should a student do?
What?
What needs to be done by a student inside the classroom?
Just be quiet. But
Quiet and respect teachers.
yes, but sometimes if it's silent and noisy.
I see.
Yes.
Do you want to become a fashion model?
Not, I don't know.
But why do you love that? Why do you love to wear that business suit from time to time?
Because I want to be a principal when I grow up.
You want to become a principal? The last time you told me that you want to become a vet.
Yes, I know.
Yes, I know. You want to become a vet at the same time you want to become a principal.
Yes.
So in order to become a principal, what needs to be done?
What?
What needs to be done in order for you to achieve your dreams of becoming a principal someday?
Just be... But if I became a principal, what would happen to me?
I don't know.
Maybe just do work? No, I don't want. I'm just gonna be a vet then. If the principal's just gonna do works or what, if the principal's gonna do school, then I will turn to be a principal then.
The role of the principal is to what?
To what?
To
To
monitor all the teachers under her supervision, right?
okay. Yes.
Okay, or for the teacher to do their work well, okay? I think they seems to become the leader or the guide inside the school, okay?
Yeah.
Under her management ang school, ganun. So, what do you want to tell the children?
The what?
Anong gusto mo sabihin sa mga bata?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, hello, and then?
And gracias estés.
Gracias estes, ano pa?
Yun. That.
Toothbrush your teeth every day. Eat healthy food. Study well always. And then,
And I should do.
take a bath every day. Ayan guys, I treated her hair with honey and... Okay, so show other people how you project that business suit. Rampa-rampa. Nagrampa na pili daw siya sa school guys eh. Tat, dali, rampa. Project that business suit that you love to wear from time to time. Favorite niya yan guys. So yung pang office ko yan eh. Ayan, ang pakita mo kay guys. Uy, kulit ito. Sige na, smile lang maganda. Paano yung serious na pose? Toothbrush na.